creating a fixed position base setting. The first thing we need to do is shoot a fixed position that will not change that we can use for our fixed base position, such as an installed base post, fire hydrant, etc. Install your rover on the fixed position the exact same way your base will be installed on it, so when we shoot this point, it will be as accurate as possible. After your rover is installed on the fixed position, open StakeCAD on the survey screen. We need to shoot the fixed base position as a control point. To do this, tap the icon below the tilt button and choose Control. The next thing we need to do is change the pole height to 0. If we include the pole height, your elevation will be off by the same amount. Finally, change the name to something where it will be immediately recognizable as a base point. Now tap the red target icon to shoot the point. It will take 10 shots over the next few seconds. Once the point shooting has completed, back out of StakeCAD and navigate to the Points page from the Project tab to confirm the new point has been successfully captured. Now that we have the fixed point position, we can create the base setting. The first thing to do is grab your base and place it where you placed your rover when you were shooting the position. Once your base is set up on its fixed position, we must connect to it. From the connection screen, disconnect from your rover and connect to your base. Once you are connected to your base, tap the base icon on the Settings tab to navigate to the Base Settings page. Here, hit the new button at the bottom of the screen, and then tap Internal Radio. Change the name of this base setting with a descriptive name for the ease of understanding. For the 900 MHz units, the correlation code will automatically set to match your base's serial number. For the 400 MHz units, select whichever channel you prefer. Just make sure to note which channel it is, as the rover setting will have to match the channel. Next, scroll down to the section called Start at Known Position and turn the toggle on. This will expand the field with a few more sections. You will see on the Coordinate Type section, the BLH is already selected. Now we need to select the fixed point we shot earlier. Tap the yellow target just above the Coordinate Type section, and on the next page, choose the point we shot for the fixed base position. Once selected, you will see the information for the BLH automatically updated. Now select the NEU option for the coordinate type, and select the same point from the point list. The information here should be updated as well. We do not need to enter anything in the XYZ section. Once we have chosen the point for both BLH and NEU sections, tap the Save button at the bottom. Your new base settings is now ready to be applied. To do this, tap the new base setting, then tap the blue I button to open the settings. Finally, tap the Apply button at the bottom of the screen. Once the base setting has been applied successfully, tap the OK button. You should be directed back to the main screen. If the base setting was correctly set, you should see the status change to Base on the black status bar. This means the base was correctly set up and now connected. Now reconnect back to your rover. Once the rover has been successfully connected, you should see a prompt saying that the base station location has changed. This is expected since we moved the base from a temporary or previously fixed location to a new fixed location. Tap OK to close the prompt. After connecting your rover, it should achieve fixed status if its settings match the base. For best practice, reapply your desired rover settings to ensure proper functionality post-base update. The final step we need to do is verify the accuracy by staking out a checkpoint. To start, navigate to the Survey tab and tap the StakeCAD icon. This can be a point specifically created to be a checkpoint, or we can use a good known existing point. In this example, we will use an existing water valve. While in StakeCAD, tap the Points button of the left toolbar. In the Points list, select the point you want to stake out and tap the black check mark. Navigate to the point, set and balance your rover pole on it, and confirm the distance and cut. Both of these should be 2 centimeters or less. Make sure that you set the height of your Rover pole again so that the elevation will be shown accurately. You have successfully set up your fixed base.